Hi guys, so I am back here once again, and today I'm going to be showing us how to set up our very first copy trading on the Ultima Brokerage platform. So for some of us, or for most of us, we are aware of all the benefits and opportunities currently available on the Ultima Brokerage platform. The Ultima Brokerage platform is one of the best global brokerage platform at this moment because of all the opportunities readily available on the platform that is extremely rare and hard to find anywhere else. Okay, for example, every other brokerage firms, forex brokerage firm that at the moment would require to deposit $500 before you can access and trade a zero or raw spread account. But with Ultima, you do not need $500. You need, with the $50 deposit, you can trade a zero or raw spread account, which is amazing. One of the opportunities as well is a copy trading option on the platform that we're going to be discussing how you can take advantage of and fully set up tonight. Okay, so before I start, there are two very important things, right, that you need to do before you start copy trading. And for most of us in our Nigerian community, so I'm coming back here, as you can see on my screen, on my second WhatsApp line. I have put every single thing that we're going to need for this video step by step, right? And the screenshots are there also, so you can pause the video, look at the inputs, look at what is being imputed, look at what is marked, so you can follow it step by step with zero issues, with zero problems. Okay, so like I was saying, there are two things that you need to do. For most of us in the Nigerian community, the signal providers that we're going to be using, most of the time they're going to send us the link. For example, you can see the bottom of my screen here. The link here is the link to one of our signal providers that we're going to be using. Okay, and before you click on this link, there are two things you need to do, very, very important before you do it. First, you need to go to your account and log in. Quite obvious, but it's very, very important. You need to go to your account and log in. And why it's important is when you log in, most of the time, your account is going to be on your IB page. So switch to your client's page. Don't forget. First important thing, logging into your account, switch to your client's page. Because most of the time when you log in, it's going to be on your IB page. So switch to your client's page. As you can see that my lemon cursor here is on my client page. So make sure it's on your client page. When you've done that, then the second thing you want to do, very important before you click on the link to your signal provider page, you want to come here. You can see below my screen, you can see home, account, promotions and funds. You want to click on accounts, right? And you want to scroll all the way. For those of us who have multiple accounts, you want to scroll all the way down to where you have the fund. Remember, when you create your account, you would have a main USD account, and when you want to start copy trading, you need to create a cent account first. Why you need a cent account to copy trade is because it's a lot easier to maximize margin and to be on the safer side when you're copy trading with a cent account. So remember, you need a cent account to copy trade, and that is why my fund is in my cent account for this particular copy trade that we're about to do. And now remember that your cent account would always calculate your funds with multiple zeros, because it will calculate the dollars or the funds in your account with cents. Now I have $70 here, not $7,000, but because it's a cent account, it's calculating it with multiple zeros. That's why you have it here looking like this. Okay, so this is our cent account to calculate your funds. And when you've scrolled all the way to the account that you want to use, right, all you need to do is click on trade. Yes, so when you have this pop-up, it shows that you have actually activated the particular account that you want to use to copy trade, and that is what you're going to use now. Because without doing that, if you click on that link, you'll not be able to impute your investment. Okay, and I'm going to explain how, and you're going to see why very shortly. So now that we've done those two important things, we've logged in, we've switched our account to our client page, we've done the second thing, we have located our copy trading sent account and we have clicked on trade, meaning that we have activated the account, our sent copy trading account that has the funds that we want to use to trade, to copy trade. Now the third thing that we'll now do is click on this link to the signal provider page. So now that we're here, meaning that we are good to go. So the first thing we need to do, as you can see on the first screenshot and instruction here, is to click on copy, like you have that red box. So click on copy, then the copy mode, we leave it as it is. We have, you can see here, investments, available investments, 7,000 US cents, right? But because here we have this signal provider, we have a minimum of $50 investment that we can put. So I'm going to put $50, which is 5,000 cents. Okay, if you don't know how to, or the multiple zeros are confusing you, you can just to be very sure, you can use Google and just check 5,000 cents to US dollars, 7,000 cents to US dollars. It's going to show you, let me show us what it's going to quickly look like. I've even done it here. As you can see, 5,000 cents to dollars. So you can see results, 5,000 cents equals to 50 USD. So if the multiple zeros are confusing you, if you want to reach $70, $100, $500, you can always use Google to calculate and convert your cents to your USD. So that being said, let us continue. So here you can see that I've imputed my investment and used margin. Let's go to the options and see what we have on the second instruction. So investment, we have imputed. Use margin is 1.0, so we're going to leave it just as it is. We're going to go scroll down again. Stop loss, we're going to go stop loss, and as we can see, stop loss is 65, estimated loss minus 5%, so we're going to leave it just like that, minus 5%. Take profit is not ticked here, so we're going to leave it unticked. Last round up, copy open trades, all of this are ticked, so we're going to leave it just like that. And we click submit, and I can see the instruction says finish, so we're going to click submit here. So submit successful, right? So you can see the notification from the app, copy trading. You've copied the BMF, that's the name of the signal provider. So we're going to click OK, and then our copy trading is live. It is live. So settlement is every week. So out of the profit that this guy is making for me every week, is going to be taking 20%, whilst I keep 80%. Okay, remember, these are good traders, and you can see that they're, so this is my own dashboard. So my P&L, you can see here, and all of that. So nice one, guys. Then I see us in the next video. Bye.